Hello, traders and investors. Welcome back to another episode of NSE Market Intelligence. Today, we will decode global market setup, GIFT Nifty signals, RBI and currency impact, institutional sentiment, sector rotation opportunities, Nifty and Bank Nifty key levels, stocks and sectors likely to outperform tomorrow, complete trading strategy for June 16th, 2026. So stay till the end because the current market structure is showing signs of a potential breakout above the psychological 24,000 level. Let's begin. First, let's understand what happened across the world. The biggest story comes from Asia. Japan's Nikkei surged nearly 5%. South Korea's Kospi rallied more than 5%. Shenzhen gained close to 4%. Chinese markets continued their recovery. This tells us global risk appetite is returning aggressively. Moving to Europe, German DAX gained over 1.2%. French CAC 40 gained over 1.1%. Stocks 50 gained around 1.3%. European investors were buyers throughout the session. Now let's look at the United States. S&P 500 gained 0.5%. Dow Jones gained 0.7%. Nasdaq remained positive. Most importantly, the VIX volatility index dropped by over 5%. When VIX falls while markets rise, institutions are generally reducing fear hedges and increasing equity exposure. This is a classic risk on signal. What does this mean for India? India doesn't trade in isolation. When US markets are positive, Europe is positive, Asia is positive, VIX is falling, the probability of institutional buying increases substantially. This creates a favorable environment for banks, financials, capital goods, infrastructure, large cap index stocks. The global backdrop is clearly. Now let's look at GIFT Nifty. Current level 23,950, high 24,047, low 23,794. Gain plus 59 points. GIFT Nifty traded above the previous Nifty close for most of the session. This is important. The market attempted to cross the 24,000 region and sustain near those levels. This indicates bullish overnight sentiment. The key message from GIFT Nifty is simple. Institutions are not expecting a major downside gap. Instead, they are positioning for continuation. Tomorrow's opening is likely to be positive unless unexpected geopolitical or macro news emerges over RBI and interest rate impact. Let's examine the monetary backdrop. Repo rate remains 5.25%, CRR 3%, SLR 18%. This is relatively supportive for growth. Lower borrowing costs compared with previous tightening cycles continue to support banks, NBFCs, realty, auto finance, capital goods. Liquidity conditions remain favorable. This is another tailwind for equities. Rupee analysis, current exchange rates, USDINR 94.67, EURINR 109.91, GBPINR 127.31. A weaker rupee creates winners and losers. Beneficiaries include IT services, pharmaceuticals, chemical exporters, specialty manufacturing companies. However, sectors dependent on imports may face pressure. These include oil marketing companies, aviation, certain consumer durables. So watch export-oriented sectors carefully tomorrow. Derivatives market analysis. Now let's analyze where smart money is active. Today's F&O activity shows massive participation in index options, bank nifty options, nifty options. This indicates traders are preparing for directional moves. One interesting observation: there is no evidence of panic hedging. If institutions expected a sharp correction, we would normally see volatility spike, aggressive put buying, defensive positioning. Currently, we are seeing the opposite. That suggests the market remains comfortable holding risk. This supports a bullish to neutral bullish outlook. Market structure analysis. Let's focus on price action. The market is currently trading in a higher high and higher low structure. The key battleground is now 24,000. Why is this level important? Because psychological resistance, round number resistance, options positioning concentration, institutional benchmark level. If Nifty closes decisively above 24,000, the next targets become 24,100, 24,250, 24,400. On the downside, 23,750 remains immediate support. Below that, 23,650 and then 23,500. As long as Nifty remains above 23,750, bulls maintain control. Sector rotation strategy. Tomorrow I would focus on 5 themes. Theme 1, banking. Large private banks continue attracting institutional flows. Theme 2, financial services. Strong liquidity environment supports growth. Theme 3, capital goods. Infrastructure spending remains a structural theme. Theme 4, IT. Rupee weakness benefits exporters. Theme 5, pharma. Defensive plus export-driven earnings. These sectors offer the best risk-reward currently. Trading plan for intraday traders. Scenario 1, bullish opening. If Nifty opens above 23,900 and sustains, look for long opportunities. Target 24,000, 24,050, 24,100. Scenario 2, gap up near 24,000. Wait for first 15 minutes. Avoid chasing. Let the market confirm acceptance above 24,000. Scenario 3, weak opening. Watch 23,750 carefully. If support holds, buy on dips remains valid. If support breaks, expect deeper profit booking. Options trading view for option traders. Bullish traders should prefer ATM calls, slightly ITM calls, bull call spreads rather than deep OTM options. Deep OTM options continue losing value through time decay. If the market consolidates near 24,000, option sellers may also find opportunities through credit spreads, iron condors, provided volatility remains subdued. Tomorrow's key levels: Nifty Support 23,750, 23,650, 23,500. Nifty Resistance 24,000, 24,100, 24,250. Bank Nifty Support 56,800. Bank Nifty Resistance 57,800, 58,000. Final verdict. Let's summarize. Global markets strong. Bullish VIX bullish. GIFT Nifty bullish. Institutional sentiment bullish. RBI environment supportive. Currency impact favorable for exporters. Overall market bias bullish. Unless Nifty falls below 23,750, the path of least resistance remains upward. The biggest level to watch tomorrow is 24,000. A convincing breakout above that level can trigger the next leg of the rally. If you found this market intelligence report useful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our daily NSE institutional analysis. Comment below. Do you think Nifty will break 24,000 tomorrow? Thank you for watching. See you in the next NSE Market Intelligence Report. Happy trading and trade safe.